Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is real fan Jalen here. Today we're gonna vacuum my room. This is my living room because I sleep here. I always sleep here just for a little nap because I did my couch right there, which I can clean up soon. Also, also my room is so dirty. I'll show you. Yeah, you can see my room is so dirty. So instead, instead, we're gonna vacuum my living room so everything can be clean. Let's go. This is our vacuum. It's a shark vacuum, which we use this thing for like 3 years or something. But it's very useful. Hang on, I'm going to plug this in. And oh yeah, I do have a Nintendo Switch too. And this is my old phone that I used for like 6 years when I videotaping trains, but I don't use this no more. It was a crappy phone too, with the less quality. Yeah, I do not like that. But it's a good remembrance of what phone I use. I'm gonna move my stuff right up here because the wires can actually get sucked in by the vacuum. I'm gonna take this out. Oh, come on, man. Alright, go plug this in. Oh, come on, doggies. Please be quiet. You don't have to make some noises. Alright, give me a second. I gotta plug this in. Okay, I'll put in the plug for the vacuum, and it's time for me to just get cleaning. Oh, hang on. Glad carpet room and freshener. That's what I needed. Ain't that right, ALP-45? Okay. So, we're gonna use this because it'll make this room smell fresh. I'll show you. Okay, a few bits over here. There's about to run out. Yeah, I think that's enough because my thing is about to run out. Alright, that's we're doing good. Anyways, let's get the vacuuming started. Let's go. Ooh. This is how you turn on. Oop. I'll turn on the power right here. go. Hang on, I gotta move my high school bag. Put it right over here for now. I gotta move these wires too. Gotta move this vacuum wires. So this thing has some space to just clean this up right there. Alright, let's go. Give me a sec. I'm just gonna put this up. Looks up good. Wait a second. Gotta move my chair. Everyone had to move the heavy dumbbell. Whew. Okay. Let's get back to it. Power on. There we go. Well, I think it's clean up now. Alright. Alright, just put things back. Oop. Okay. That thing's heavy. Because one of my family members used that. Put this right here. There we go. Everything's all clean. It looks like we're done. Let's take out the plug. Yes. All right. And just put it in. And just put it over here. I'll go down and up and I'll just stick it up. So it will not fall off. See? Take it in there. Put my vacuum right here. And that's how you do it. Vacuuming my living room. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and oh yeah, I do some real fanning sometimes, but I may do some vlogs next time. I hope you enjoy my channel. Don't forget to check my content, and I'll see you next time.